bonjour et bienvenue encore sur cette nouvelle vidéo. Bonjour à tous les parents, bonjour à tous les adolescents. J'espère que vous préparez bien la rentrée scolaire. En tout cas, j'espère que tout est déjà prêt pour que nos enfants débutent bien l'année académique qui est en train d'arriver. Voilà, dès le 5 octobre, ils vont regagner leur salle de classe et j'espère que vous êtes prêts psychologiquement, financièrement, physiquement, voilà, n'est-ce pas, pour contribuer à l'épanouissement scolaire de ces enfants. Nous sommes toujours là sur notre session de formation sur les informations et sur les filières et les débouchés de vos enfants au niveau secondaire, technique comme général. Voilà. Aujourd'hui, nous allons parler des informations voilà, sur dans le sous-système anglophone. Voilà. On a suffisamment donné, j'ai suffisamment partagé sur le sous-système francophone. Donc aujourd'hui, on va parler du système anglophone, donc des séries au secondaire, des possibilités à l'université, des filières, des écoles professionnelles, également de la future carrière, voilà, que ces enfants pourront embrasser plus tard en fonction des séries qu'ils vont choisir. Donc, partagez déjà, s'il vous plaît, cette vidéo. C'est important pour l'orientation de nos enfants. Voilà. Et voilà, on va éviter vraiment de continuer d'avancer sans savoir où on va, quoi. Autant les parents, autant les enfants. Je suis Karine Thérèse et bienvenue une fois de plus sur ma page Adoscare. On va commencer tout de suite. Voilà. Donc, prenez des notes, je vous en prie. C'est important. Mais la mémoire ne peut pas tout retenir, donc prenez des notes. Excusez ma voix, je suis un peu grippée. Mais bon, comme on doit travailler, on reste toujours connecté et fidèle au programme. On va commencer de suite. Alors, avec la section anglophone, il faut savoir déjà qu'il y a deux filières, donc deux séries. Donc, il y a Arts et il y a Science. OK? Arts and Science. Donc, Arts, ce sont les séries littéraires. Donc, ça va de A1 jusqu'à A5, peut-être même A7 déjà. A7 aussi, oui. A1 jusqu'à A7. Et pareil pour les S également. Donc, on va commencer avec les E, qui représentent les filières de la littérature. OK? D'accord. Donc, maintenant, A1 est constitué de 3 matières. D'accord? Donc, on a English Literature, on a French, on a History. Ça, ce sont les matières au niveau du secondaire que les enfants vont choisir. Alors, si votre enfant choisit de faire A1, il aura la possibilité à l'université d'intégrer des différents départements. Je vous cite les départements. Department of Modern Letters, Department of Bilingual Studies, Department of History, Department of Sociology and Anthropology, Department of Psychology, Department of Philosophy, Department of African Language and Linguistics, and Faculty of Law and Political Science. Voilà là les possibilités d'études au niveau supérieur quand votre enfant quitte le secondaire ayant fait la série A1, Arts 1. Maintenant, il pourra intégrer les écoles professionnelles suivantes au niveau supérieur. INS, École normale supérieure, ASMAC, ESTIC, ASTI, IRIC, ENAM, EMIA, ENAS et UNGS. Dès que votre enfant intègre cette école supérieure-là, ou alors ces écoles professionnelles-là, ou sort directement des facultés qu'on vient de citer, les possibilités de carrière qu'il pourra embrasser demain, ce sera soit he will be doing translation, journalism, law, diplomacy, theater, arts, administration. He can be a teacher, he can do counseling, he can do sociology, he can do tourism industry, he can do judicial professionals, and he can also work in social affairs. That's for the career opportunities. Now we're going to A2. A2, the combination of A2, we have history, geography, and economics. If your child studies this series in the university, he can be in the different departments, in the department that follows. Department of History, Department of Geography, Department of Sociology and Anthropology, Department of Psychology, Department of Philosophy, Department of Economics and Management Sciences, and Faculty of Law and Political Sciences. He can also be in these professional schools. That's ENS, ASMAC, ASTI, IRIC, ENAM, EMIA, ENSET, ESSEC, IFOD, ENAS, and ENJS. Being in these schools means that your child can be a future administrator, he can be a lawyer, he can be a teacher, he can work into insurance, he can work into fiscal counseling, he can be an accountant, a geographer, an urban planner, a demographer, landscape architecture, or an ecologist. A3. With A3, you do in high school English literature, economics, and history. In the university, you can get into the following departments: Department of African Languages and Linguistics, Department of Sociology and Anthropology, Department of Psychology, Department of Philosophy, Department of History, Department of Law and Political Sciences, and the Faculty of Economics and Management Sciences. You can also get into these professional schools: ENS, ASMAC, ASTI, IRIC, ENAM, EMIA, ENSET, ESSEC, and ENAS. You can be a future administrator, you can do law, be a lawyer, journalism, you can do accounting, you can be a diplomat, you can do theater, you can do art, you can be a teacher, you can be a translator, judicial professions, and you can also work into insurances. A4. A4 is economics, mathematics, and geography. You will do when you get into university, you can get into Department of Geography, Department of Mathematics, Department of Sociology and Anthropology, Department of Psychology, Department of Philosophy, Faculty of Economics and Management Sciences, and Faculty of Law and Political Sciences. You can get into the following professional schools: ENS, IRIC, ENAM, EMIA, ENSET, ESSEC, and IFOD. When you get into the either professional schools or the following departments mentioned, you can be a future insurer, work into banking and insurance, accounting, teaching, statistician, financial analyst, demographer, geographer, flora and fauna, specialist, etc., etc. A5. A5, we have English literature, French, history, economics, and philosophy. You can get into the following departments. In fact, all the departments found in the faculty, including the Faculty of Economics and Management Sciences, you can do that. You can also get into all the professional schools mentioned in A3, and you can be a future geologist, you can get into politics, you can be an anthropologist, you can do American literature, performing arts, journalism, you can be a diplomat, you can be a teacher, you can do performing arts. A6 is a combination of English, French literature, history, and economics. All the departments and the faculty founded in A3, you can also do that. You can also enter into all the professional schools that were mentioned above. All the professional schools found in A1 and A3 will lead to the professional career mentioned in A1 and A3. A7. It's a combination of English, French, literature, history, economics, and geography. All the department and faculty found in A1 and A2, you can get into that. All the professional schools found in A2, you can also get into that. All the professional schools found in A1 and A2, you can also get into those careers. So this is for the art series, and tomorrow we are going to talk about the S1, S2, S3, S4, high school combinations, university possibilities, and professional schools and career opportunities. Thanks for watching. Share, 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 share. Sharing is saving a life.